My name is Dean Aiken. This is my wife Julie, and we are from Isla Mirada in the Florida Keys. We were introduced to Incruises by Bobby Remito, who we had known for many years in other businesses. He was living in Beverly Hills, and he called and he said, Dean, he says, can you and Julie get to Miami? He says, I've got a very important meeting there and I would like you guys to be part of this. We signed up that night. We both signed up as partner members. We put our accounts on the auto pay, and we completely ignored this for 3 years. And when I say ignored it, I didn't even know my password to get into it. We had a combined $15,400 in our cruise account. That was about 8 months ago, and we started sharing it right away, and we both became membership free very quickly, and we're loving every minute of it. We've been on 3 cruises now, courtesy of Incruises.
My favorite part about being involved with Incruises are the relationships. I love being with people and meeting new people and really building a culture within our team that's loving and exciting and encouraging, and so that's my favorite part about being part of Incruises. I love our back office and the resources that we have. I'm the one who spends more time on the computer and in the back office, and so I love being able to have tools that are powerful and just very well thought out.
There's just no reason to not do this, to give yourself a little bit of reward for all your hard work and to have the experience. On a cruise, you get to be on the receiving end of that. You get to be the one that gets taken care of for a few days or a week or 2 weeks, whatever. And it gives you it gives your body mentally and physically and emotionally a chance to recharge.
So if you're looking at Incruises, look beyond the surface and look deep into the reason why it could work for you and people that you know and love, because that was what inspired us to really take a good look at when we were going to build the business. We're going to change lives in a big way, and that's something is important to us and that excites us. Don't wait, because you don't know what tomorrow brings. The urgency is that you need to start living and start enjoying life more, and Incruises is the perfect step to take.